Helicopter?
Yeah.
So come on, baby, where do you want to sit?
In the
want to
front.
go? Yeah, you
I want to sit in the front. I want the front one. I want the front one.
Which one?
Man front.
Where do you want to sit, baby?
I'm in the front.
And what else? What else do you want?
Nothing.
You want something on your ears?
Headphones.
Yeah. What do you want, baby?
I want to be the captain. I was in the front.
And what else do you want?
I want some headphones. Come on.
What?
Wear my headphones.
Don't worry, you'll get them.
I want them now.
What?
Go get me some headphones. I want them now.
Don't worry, you get them in
I want to sit in front.
Once you get the helipad and you get on the helicopter, then you get your headphones, baby. Okay? And what's that?
So I'm exercising, warming up.
How was your day?
Fantastic.
What did you do?
I swam with big fishes.
Where?
In the Great Barrier Reef.
How was that?
It was okay.
What fishes did you see?
I saw some triggerfish, I saw some butterfly fish, I saw some jacks, I saw some GTs.
Which one was your favorite one?
The GT.
Why?
Because it's fast, it's lean, and it's mean.
Did you see any sharks?
No sharks.
They were sleeping on the bottom, you didn't see them?
Yeah, the only shark in the water was you.
Do you know what's my favorite fish?
They're butterfly fish.
And why?
Because they live together all their lives, and if one of them dies, the other partner will live on their own for the rest of their life and never want another partner. And the best thing about it is 2 weeks after their partner dies, that fish will die also. Isn't that sweet? Because it couldn't live on its own.
Is that not nice?
That's not nice, is it? Because he's got to die. You may as well die together. Yeah?
But it means that they love so much.
Yeah. They miss each other, so he kills them.
He would not ever pair up with someone else.
It's a him, it might be a her.
But you see them only in a couples or alone.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean the woman always dies first and then it's the male fish that live after. You can usually he doesn't want to be alone. How do you know it's a her?
Doesn't matter if it's him or her.
Why can't
one of them, if he's left alone, is just gonna swim alone for the rest of his life.
Different sexes though, like other fish do.
Did you see any turtle?
No turtles.
No?
No whales.
No whales?
No stingrays. No.
We have to come back then.
We'll do it in Cairns, it's better there.
In Cairns?
I think so.
In Cairns?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Absolutely. Alright, switch it off now. Yeah, that's the other